Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Miss Planet Home. This week I'm hanging out with my daughter Ari as she's looking for more. I'm actually looking for project things and she's looking for more decor for her new apartment. And she's so excited and she's going to share something that she's found. So let's hang out. All right, so I'm in Dollar Tree shopping for projects. And, Ari is moving because she's getting her bigger place. And so look at what we found. I didn't actually find this. Ari found this. Say hello, Ari.
Hi.
So look at these. They're $1. Do you know how awesome this would be next to your door for your keys, for a lightweight purse? They're not going to hold anything really, really heavy. A lightweight purse,
up to 12
a
pounds.
Scarf. Oh, up to 12 pounds. Well, maybe as long as your purse is under 12 pounds, you're good. Scarves. So Ari picked these up and she picked one of each. Love it. And then, again, I didn't find these. I already did. I was looking for project stuff. And then she found these beautiful things. And I know I have seen these. Got it, Ari? Mm-hmm. I have seen these in craft stores for about $5 a piece. And they are $1. $8. Love it.
And I found this.
Yes.
It's a little unicorn ring holder.
Unicorn. So just imagine you putting these with even more, maybe more expensive items, mixing them in to your decor in your new apartment. It's going to look wonderful. So I'm excited to see what they turn out to look like. All right, just a little quick tip with Miss Planet. Bye.
Hey guys, so my mom's not here right now, but I was able to find the feather pieces that we found in the dollar store, and so I found them at Hobby Lobby, and so they're having a 50% off sale, but the ones here are about $9, so I'd be paying about $4, $4.50 for these same feather ceramic pieces that I got at the dollar store for only $1. So just to let you know that you can find some of the best things in some unexpected places.
All right, so me and Ari are still here doing our mother-daughter vlog, and we're just looking at different really inexpensive ways that she can decorate her new place.
Basket over here.
Yeah.
But so I found these little glass vases, and so I've seen a lot of like tutorials and like Facebook videos on this, and so what I was thinking of doing is filling it up with sand and doing some sand art. And
Ignore the construction sounds.
Yeah, Hobby Lobby's expanding. I already get lost in here, so that's gonna be fun. But I would do like a layer of one colored sand and then do another layer of sand, and then you can take like a toothpick and stick down the sand to make like little divots in there so that the sands kind of run together. Then you can also like layer the sand diagonally, like by shifting the vase around. So just like some things to think about.
And how much, that vase is what?
It's $2.49.
$2.49. Now, you can have a coupon and they rotate their glass sales. So really, you can get two for $2.49 when they run 50% off. So
Exactly.
there's that,
Yeah.
Always saving pennies when every penny counts.
Count on Miss Planet.
Count on Miss Planet.
So yeah, you can do it with this one. I was looking at like this cylindrical vase right here for $3. I was looking at this little milk bottle one, and so just like to have fun with it. You can stick some flowers in there or some succulents in there. Cover it with sand, cover the stems with sand so you don't see it, and you got yourself a little nightstand / coffee table art piece.
Yes, that people will say, ooh, where did you get that from? And you'll say, I made it.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, good job.
All right. Here we go.
Hi guys, so we found another thing. My mom's looking for seashells. That did not work out.
No.
So I looked down and found these cool little plastic light bulbs and looked to see how much they were, and they are 99 cents, which is lit. So I'm probably gonna grab like
40% off. Guess how much that is?
not even like it's not even anything. So I'll probably grab like maybe, look, how many do you have? Like,
well, don't be greedy and take all of them.
I'm gonna take all of them.
2 is
I'm
good.
gonna take all of them.
2 is good.
I'm gonna take all of them. So that's cool. And which is really fun. So boom. You can put some sand in these, you can put some flowers in these. So what I wanna do is probably put some sand in them and maybe put some succulents in them And that would be a
That'd be
really cool thing to put on like a bookshelf.
And don't throw away the lid. Sit it next to it. It just adds for conversation. So if you're gonna put a succulent in there, put the succulent in there, and then when you sit it, put the top like that next to it. It just adds something. It adds to it. Just a little tip.
Yeah. All right, let's keep going. Hi guys. So this is a different voice than the one that you're used to hearing. It's me, Ari, instead of my mom, Miss Planet.
I'm on the camera. I don't think I'm doing that great though. I'm trying.
Yeah, she's doing her best. She's doing the thing. So you saw us go to the dollar store and Hobby Lobby, and you saw me pick up a ton of stuff for my apartment, for decorating, for possible projects. And so today we are going to work on one of the possible projects that you guys can make at home, and we are going to make these awesome little light bulb succulent vases.
Accent pieces.
Yes, they're little accent pieces. They can go on your bookshelf, on a coffee table, on a kitchen table. And so that is what we are going to do today. As you can see, all it takes is a light bulb that we got at Hobby Lobby for like 50 cents, some paint, and then a succulent of your choice and some white sand. So
From the Dollar Tree.
From the Dollar Tree. So get all your supplies ready and let's get started. All right, so start off with the light bulb that you got from Hobby Lobby or wherever you found these nifty little things at. Make sure that it is clean thoroughly on the outside. It doesn't really matter much on the inside because you're about to fill it with sand anyway, and then you can unscrew the top. And depending on what brand of light bulb you have, it may have a little stopper on the inside of it to put other things inside, and you may have like a little removable area on this cap. This one does not have that, so we take the cap off and then take some tweezers or pliers or whatever and grab the little plastic thing right here.
Those are all actually my tweezers for my eyebrows.
No, these are my tweezers for my eyebrows that I got in my e.l.f. Cosmetics kit.
Okay.
e.l.f. sponsored me.
Multi-purpose.
But so take it out of the little light bulb thing and put it off to the side. You don't need to do that anymore. You can throw it away. And that is your first step. Huh?
So don't throw it away. You never know. You might need a stopper for something.
Throw it away. You're not going to need the stopper. Plus, I broke it in Hobby Lobby, which I then had to buy it because I broke it. So now you have your nice little light bulb all clean and whole and ready to get to work. And next you're going to take your metallic gold paint of your choice. So right here we have a metallic gold paint. It's Decor brand, and it's actually from my mom's stash of paint that she has. So yeah, there's that. And then
ignore the dog in the background.
Yeah, that's my dog in the background. Love her. But so you can use gold paint or you can use silver paint. We're gonna just do it to kind of give that light bulb the same gold metallic finish that you see around light bulbs, like you see on this top right here, because we can't use the top, but we do want to save it for later. So get your paint ready and we'll start painting. Okay, so we have our light bulb painted. See a little gold top right here. Pro tip for painting your light bulb, make sure, as well as painting about like 2 to 3 coats on the outside, you also paint a coat on the inside, because you don't want to have like weird like see-through spots whenever it goes up against like a light bulb somewhere, or you have like maybe some lights on your shelf. That would be really weird.
All about the detail.
Yeah, all about the detail. So it takes like 2 seconds, and then so just have them all painted on the inside as well as the outside, and then let them dry for about like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. That's how much.
More like 30.
10-15 minutes.
It's your mother.
Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes.
Whatever.
Depending on the type of paint, depending how thick the paint was, whenever you put it on, it all kind of varies. 10 to 15 for me, 30 for my mom if you want to be careful. I don't. I live dangerously. But yeah.
With paint.
With paint. So that is what this step is.
So I definitely wanted Ari to show you guys this project because you're used to seeing me do it, and I don't want you to get the idea that, oh, Miss Planet can do it. No, anybody can do this. Just jump off that cliff. You can make it happen.
Even your run-of-the-mill 22-year-old
yeah.
can do it. But yeah, okay. So next part is the messiest part for me. Whenever I was actually doing a prototype for you guys and working on the prototype I have for you right here, I got sand all over our kitchen table.
Yeah.
So this is a pro tip and also some trial and error that went into this. So please make sure that you follow what I do in this video and don't try and do it another way because you will get sand everywhere. So I have a funnel right here, and you're going to stick that in your little light bulb right here. And I prefer a funnel with a wider bottom because the sand can get stuck if it's like a skinnier tube that it comes out of, and then you'll have to shake it and it gets everywhere, and that's a whole thing. And so just like do it with a wider bottom funnel. Make sure that it's...
Meaning a wider tip.
Yeah, a wider tip. I don't like saying that. But a wider tipped funnel. Make sure that it can still fit inside of your light bulb because you don't want it to slip out. And then also make sure that it's clean. This has like already sand residue in it, so it's fine. But make sure it's clean. You don't have any like weird stuff already in it, and then it like slips into your light bulb, and that's a whole thing.
All right, let's get sandy.
Ew.
For the sand.
So right here we have a regular bag of white sand. This was the sand used for the succulent centerpieces that my mom made for me, actually, for my kitchen table. And you can click on that video if you already are a patron. If not, tell your friends, tell them to become a patron and click on the video so that they can get some cool behind the scenes vlog stuff. But anyway, so bag of white sand right here. In a bag like this, you can just kind of straight up pour it into the funnel. We also have a Ziploc bag of extra white sand just in case we run out of white sand. And for this one, it's hard to pour out of a Ziploc bag. So I have a little measuring cup and I can scoop it out and then pour it into the funnel. That's just an extra step if you don't have an easily pourable white bag like this. But you really don't have to think about that if your sand's not in a Ziploc bag. So we're going to go ahead and pour the sand in here. Make sure you hold the light bulb so it doesn't like fall over. That happened to me. Sand got everywhere. It was a fun time. So yeah, just keep pouring the sand. Okay, so we have our light bulb filled up. You may want to like shake it a little bit, make sure all of that sand is evenly distributed throughout like the top and the bottom of the light bulb. And then we have a choice of little fake cacti and succulents to choose from. And so for this one, I'm gonna go with the cactus and see. So with things like this, because you already have sand in the bottom, you don't have to glue it or anything ahead of time with hot glue. Maybe if it was a little, you're filling it with something like water, you may want to hot glue like the top of it so that your little plant can sit right on that hot glue and it doesn't tip over. But with things like this filled with sand, you don't really need to do that. So what you're going to do is just stick it down in the middle and it stands up by itself.
So cute.
Yeah.
I love it.
So there you go. You have your little light bulb succulent centerpiece or bookend or accent piece, anything that you want it to be. And it is super easy. And all this cost me was maybe, let's see, the light bulb was 50 cents. The sand was my mom's. The paint was $1. The paint was probably 50 cents.
And 25 cents probably.
25 cents. So right now we're at $1.75. And this little cacti was $3 at Hobby Lobby. And so that comes up to about a total of $4.75. So a total of maybe $5 for this little centerpiece that you probably would have paid $20 to get easily anywhere else.
And remember, the bag of sand could do more than one project, and the paint can do more than one project. So really, you're probably averaging about $3 to $3.50 per centerpiece. Put the other one next to it, Ari.
Yes, for sure. Let's do this. Also, the best thing about these is that nothing is glued down or permanent. Yes. So if you want to change out the little plants that you have in here, you can easily just like take one out, put it off to the side, set it in for another one. Then Perfect. You have another little plant. So maybe you want to change out with Christmas trees for Christmas time, or some sort of fall plant for the fall, or like flowers for the springtime. You can change it like anytime that you want. Maybe you want to change the color of the sand, you can do that. But these are our succulent light bulbs.
And I cannot wait to find a home for them in your new apartment. So excited. You did such a good job.
Thanks.
Woohoo! That finishes up our mother-daughter finding our, what were you saying this was?
Our mom-daughter blog.
Our mom-daughter blog, finding some good quick tips and some awesome decor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
So glad you guys joined us. Until next week, see you later. Take care. God bless.
Bye.